Hello everyone! Hi, how are you today? It's Kei. So this is the 29th of November on Tuesday. So I hope you all having a great day today. So let's check markets together and see what's happening right now. I checked charts a couple of hours ago, maybe 3-4 hours ago, and I didn't see any trends. Well, I think I saw that trend on one of the CAD pairs. I think it was in a pound CAD, but no trades for me because they are a bit retracing today. So looks like the markets are getting ready for the big news on Friday, which is non-farm payrolls in the US. So yeah, I can see some ranging markets, but we may see some trends and we may be able to create some scenarios to the future. So let's check charts and see what's going on in the markets. Okay, so now let me switch the screen. Just hold on. Okay, all right. And so yeah, quick announcements. One is I started the new Facebook and Instagram account. So if you do have one of these accounts, please follow me. The link is on the below description. However, I don't do Telegram, I don't do TikTok, so please be careful. In case you see my name on one of these social medias, this is all fake. Also, yesterday, I newly launched the KTS Academy, and you can see also the details on the below description on the link. So please check the information and let me know if you have any questions. So let's see, today as of 29th of November, let's see. Looks like the markets were ranging a couple of hours ago. But let's see what's going on today. Alright. Okay, I see a few members today. Thanks for joining, Claire and John, Master of TikTok, and Oscar, and MH, and everyone. Thanks for joining. Great to see you. I think people are watching the World Cup right now, so I can see less viewers than usual. But yeah, let me see. So here is the Euro USD. Daily chart is getting close to the resistance, but I'm simply waiting for that breakout. This may be double top, and the market may reverse back to Kijun Sen. And at this moment, I can't really tell which way it's going, so I'm simply away from this chart. I think the best one so far is I think it was a pound CAD. Yeah, pound CAD broke the resistance yesterday, and today is bullish. So I think this uptrend will be continuous. It broke the resistance level of 1.6179. Yeah, okay, I see more members now. Dewey, Intrader, Payet, and Young, Muhammad, and Sami, Asif. Thank you for joining, everyone. Great to see you. Oh, maybe there is a lag between my window and the chat. So yeah, let me talk slowly today. There might be some issue on YouTube today. So again, pound CAD, the price is above Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, and Kumo thick and Chikou span above candles. So I think it breaks the resistance yesterday on 1.6297 and continuously bullish. So I was looking for the buying edge on this one today, but I couldn't find, so no trades so far. So here's the 4-hour chart. 4 hour shows now bullish. 4 hour Kumo is bullish, Kijun Sen is up, price above Tenkan Sen, and Chikou span above candles. So buyers are winning a trade, and sellers are losing in this case. So that means we can follow the buyer's momentum, which is bullish. Let me check also 1 hour. 1 hour is found to be range. There was a big pushback here from yesterday to today, and looks like it's going up to break the resistance. However, Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat, and Chikou span touching, so the market may retrace. In that case, we can't trust the 1 hour uptrend, so I will check the 30-minute. And 30-minute Kumo is too small, so again, that means the market may reverse. So in this case, I prefer to wait for the breakout of the resistance from yesterday on 1.6293. So again, coming back to the 4 hour, 4 hours nicely bullish, but the market may reverse. It may reverse on the resistance and then bounced on the Tenkan-sen maybe, and goes up. So I will wait for the breakout, and this breakout may not happen today. It may happen tomorrow, so I simply wait for that confirmation. So pound CAD still look good, so I just marked this one just in case it breaks the resistance today. And let me see some other markets. Okay, pound AUD is retracing back, no trade. Pound JPY is also retracing back, but the 4 hour is ranging, and daily is also ranging too. And today's daily chart shows a doji candlestick, so no trends and no trace. Pound USD is retracing back also, and I think yeah, the best one so far is pound AUD. Oh, AUD CAD broke the resistance. I mean, it's breaking the resistance, but it's actually very close. Resistance level of 0.9107. But since this one may continue to break, I will monitor this one closely. And 4 hour is bullish, but the Kumo is a bit thin and small. So thin Kumo, small Kumo means that this is overshooting market, overbought. So the market may reverse. So yeah, today I stay away. I come back tomorrow and look for the opportunity on this one. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Luz says Nikkei or S&P, which one is better? Let me check that one later. Hold on. Let me first cover Forex. All right, Renato, thank you for joining. All right, Fola, Tung, Ellie, good to see also. Ellie says AUD CAD at 10.15, trading the stop loss now. Okay, so yeah, AUD CAD is bullish. It broke the resistances on 0.9034 and it's bullish now. So if you already took the trade and keep following, I think it's good. You can keep following until it reverses back. But if you do not have any positions on this one yet, I don't recommend to jump in because we never know when the market reverses on this one. Okay, John also says I'm currently trading on AUD CAD, confirmed with uptrend in daily 4 hour, 1 hour, 5 minute confirmations. Yeah, so if you're holding, yeah, if you're holding a trade, you can keep holding, but once it reverses, you just exit. Let me quickly check the 5 minute. Okay, 5 minute time frame shows continuously bullish in a wave. So once the market reverses, since this is on the previous resistance, this might be a fake out. So you can exit either here or here. As the market retraces, you can just exit on the most recent pushback or the second previous pushback for your exit. Yeah, but for me, I stay away. Okay, AUD CAD, right? Let me check the strength chart as of now. AUD has been really strong. CAD is the weakest. So yeah, AUD CAD, if you selected this pair to trade, then good for you. Yeah, I think that this uptrend looks to be continuous so far. It's strong. So here's 1 hour. And 1 hour Kumo is also showing very thin. So the market may reverse, right? So not a good market to trade newly on this one. So if the market retraces towards New York and push back and goes up, I will come back this one on tomorrow. So let's see what else is happening. Okay, Payet says CAD JPY daily 4 hour, 1 hour. Okay, CAD JPY is now bearish. Daily is going down. Right, it's actually broke the neckline of double top, so it's bearish. Kumo is looking okay. This is not too thin. I think it's good. 4 hour is also down. Right, 4 hour is down. Oh, it just broke the support. Okay. Just broke the support and it's going down. And 1 hour is also going down, right? 1 hour is going down. It also has double top and neckline break. And neckline was tested and then it's going down. It broke the support also. Broke the support of 1 hour time frame. 102.31. So yeah, CAD JPY, I think this one is also good to look for a trading edge. Let me check the 5 minute. M5 shows that this is it's so far ranging after the break. So I think the market comes back to the trend line. Comes back to the trend line of this descending trend line. I think we can extend it all the way to the past like this. Maybe even to the past. The trend line. Yeah, maybe up to here. But the market may retrace back to the trend line and also the previous support and goes down. Sorry. It may retrace back to around here and goes down. So you can wait for a little bit of pullback or the pushback and resistance and take a trade. Yeah, stochastics is below 20 and you can't really capture the cross. So you don't really have to care about the stochastics. Yeah, so this is my scenario for now. You see the market is retracing back now for the last 10 minutes. So as long as price is below the support level of 102.31 and below the descending trend line, that will be okay to sell. But if it breaks like this way, then you might want to stay away. Yeah, so that's the CAD JPY. But since this one's downtrending, I will mark. I will put the flag. So I may come back to this pair later and may take trade. Okay, according to the strength chart, AUD is the strongest, but CAD is the weakest right now, and JPY is flat. So this downtrend is caused by the weak CAD, but not the strong JPY. So that means as long as CAD is bearish today, this pair will go down. right now it's a bit retracing. So let's see if it will be resisted by one of these lines. Okay, G1 says, what about Swiss franc JPY? Swiss franc JPY, let me see. Swiss franc JPY today or this week has been bearish. It broke the Kumo. So yeah, in the short term, this is downtrend. Let me check the 4 hour. 4 hour is now ranging, and this is the inside bar. You see, whenever I see inside in higher time frame, I prefer to wait for that break. So inside is happening in the 4 hour, so I prefer to break out of the inside support and look for the selling opportunity. But I think I talked about this kind of long ago. If you look at the daily time frame, you see a big bearish bar on the 22nd of September, and this was exactly when BOJ intervened, and we had a big bearish candle, and the market has been inside between 151.39 and 143.49. So within the range, within the inside, the market can go any direction. So if you want to trade this one, I prefer to wait for the break towards either direction. So I will put up arrow and down arrow above resistance and below support like this, and wait for that break towards either direction. In this case, we can't really tell which way it breaks. So we'll see. But if this is the only pair you wanna trade, then you can follow the lower time frame trend, maybe 1 hour. You see, 1 hour is also ranging in the inside. Lots of inside in this Swiss franc pairs. So 1 hour also showing the inside. So you can wait for the inside breakout and target to the big inside support. That will be the scenario. Because whenever you see inside, that means the market is losing its momentum until it breaks either direction. It looks like it breaks bearish because the price is below Tenkan-sen and Chikou span below candles. So, and the market has been bearish. Yeah, it may break the support of the inside. Yeah, we will see. But for me, I stay away. Okay. And let's see what else is happening. JCNK says NZD CAD. Let me see. NZD CAD. Okay, oh, NZD CAD broke the resistance very nicely and it's bullish. So the question is whether there is a new resistance closely here. So let me zoom out. And I don't see any resistances. So this is good. I think this uptrend will be continuous. There are also outside and the breakout today. Just to be safer, you might want to wait for today's daily candlestick close becomes above the previous pin bar resistance, 0.8386. If it closes above the pin bar, that means buyers are still dominant, and the market may go up continuously towards this weekend. But if it closes within the previous pin bar, then the market may range or retrace. Just to be safer, we might want to wait for the close. But if you are trading it already, then you can keep holding because there's a potential break and the market becomes bullish. And here is the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour also shows bullish because it broke the resistance. Kumo is up now, not too thin. Kijun Sen is up. Okay, there you go. So, okay, so here is a 5-minute, and 5-minute looks like this is retracing back now. So at least you want to wait for the pushback somewhere. It may be supported right now on this level or the previous pin bar resistance, which are around 0.8408 level, 0.840021. You can wait for the bounce and look for the buying opportunity and expect the market breaks the resistance. Otherwise, if it breaks this key level, then it may go down and continuously retrace. So this is where you want to wait for the timing to buy. Yeah, right now this is not a good timing to jump in this case. Okay, so let's see what else we can find. Alright, thanks for joining, great to see you. Okay, Chetan says, if there will be no resistance, then how to recognize market is now going to retrace with the help of Ichimoku. If there is no resistance, then when Kumo thin, then the market may reverse. Or when the price reaches to the price theory targets, then it may retrace. That will be possible by Ichimoku confirmations. Okay, yeah, thanks for joining everyone, great to see you. Okay, just close my trade, alright. Chitan says, for Nifty 50, which time frame is good for intraday? 4-hour good. Let me check the Nifty 50. It's been bullish, right? Still, I think it just going up and up, broke the all-time high. Yeah, so for the Nifty, the next target I said was 18,700 and ultimate target to be 19,000. And it's up on a daily, so if you are on intraday, that means if you want to close a trade within the day, then you can take the lower than the daily time frame. So yeah, 4-hour would be good. Yeah, 4-hour would be good. So right now, after the resistance break, the price has been above the Tenkan Sen. So you can keep holding the trade as long as the price above Tenkan Sen. And when it breaks Tenkan Sen, you can exit. Is for the intraday trade. So the market may keep growing up and up like this, and Tenkan Sen follows like this, and at some point the market retraces this way, and then you can exit. Maybe 4-hour in that case is a bit too high. Intraday could be also 1 hour. Yeah, I think 1 hour is better because the price is being above and it just closed below the Tenkan Sen. So if tomorrow the market opens above Tenkan Sen and continuously goes up, you buy and you close before the end of the Nifty session, or you close when the market breaks Tenkan Sen tomorrow. But if the price remains below Tenkan Sen, then no trade. Yeah, that will be for intraday trade. Yeah, since it's becoming all-time high now, you may wonder how far it goes. But as a trend follower, we can keep following as long as it goes. Because it's not us that that can decide until when the market goes. As a trend follower, as long as it goes, you follow, and when it stops, you exit. Yeah, that's my philosophy. So that's why I don't set targets. I don't take profit on these targets. Okay, Crypto Cloud says nice NZD CAD is on uptrend in a daily time frame. Right. Yeah, as we discussed earlier, yeah, NZD CAD is now uptrending on the daily chart nicely. Let me check the weekly also. Okay, weekly is going into Kumo, so that means the lower time frames may be spiky next week. So just watch out. So far daily looks good, but next week the market may range, or it may spike. You may have lots of wicks. Spread may be wider because again it goes into the weekly Kumo. So yeah, you have to be more careful in the risk management. Okay, let's see. USD JPY is bearish on the daily flat on the rest of the time frames. Yeah, okay. USD JPY is bearish on a daily flat. Yeah, so daily's daily time frame is right. Its Kijun Sen is down, but I'm simply waiting for the support level breakout, and I think it will break sometime this week. Tomorrow there will be a news in the US, and also on Friday also there will be NFP, non-farm payrolls. So these news can cause the break. So still waiting for that to happen, to sell on USD JPY. Yeah, so let me check the. Let me come back to the previous question from Luz. Nikkei 225 or S&P 500, which one's better? Let me see for index. First, let me check the Nikkei. Nikkei has been downtrending this week, and when you compare two markets, you always have to take the same time frame. So here's a daily time frame situation. The price broke the Tenkan-sen, so now I cancel the up arrow like this, and looks like it retracing back to Kijun-sen. So for me, this is downtrend in the short term. And let's see, S&P. S&P is also very similar to Nikkei, but S&P is more bearish because again it also broke that Tenkan-sen, but the Kijun-sen is within the Kumo. But Nikkei, Kijun-sen above Kumo. So in that sense, Nikkei is more bullish than S&P. But the chart, the candles looks identical. Let me put these two markets on the sides. So on the left I put the Nikkei, on the right I put the S&P, both in the same time frame, and looks like this. So yeah, Ichimoku can tell you which one is strong. So again, the price, both prices below Tenkan-sen, that's in common, and one is the Kijun-sen above Kumo in Nikkei but within the Kumo in S&P. Also, Chikou span is now within the Kumo, but previously Nikkei Chikou span was above the Kumo, but S&P Chikou span still below the Kumo. So that means also Nikkei is more uptrend than the S&P 500. So yeah, so now let me check some other index today. Okay, Dow Jones I thought the market could continue to break, but from yesterday, it's retracing back. And now it's coming back to the Tenkan-sen. But Kumo is up, Kijun-sen up still, so this time, this may bounce on the Tenkan-sen and goes up. So let me keep up a roll above the Tenkan-sen. So for me, this one is still bullish. And yeah, Nasdaq is ranging. Nasdaq is ranging because the price is now within the Kumo, and Kumo flat, Kijun-sen flat, and Chikou span is touching, so no trend. But looks like the indices are now bearish. This one is also bearish. Euro stock is bullish, above Tenkan-sen. Kumo up, Kijun-sen up, so it breaks. It can break the resistance, right? And let's see, FTSE 100 is bullish continuously, no doubt. It's bullish. It's about to break the resistance of 75.69 level. CAC France is also bullish. And DAX index is also bullish. It's reaching towards the resistance zone. As we discussed earlier, this is zone of the resistance. And Nifty, as I mentioned, is bullish. It keep renewing higher and higher, so it's bullish now. And A200 is also bullish because above Tenkan-sen and Kumo Kijun-sen up. And Hansen is also bullish. It broke the Kumo. So once the market breaks the previous resistances, 1847.14, then it turns to bullish. So that will be, this is actually a neckline of this inverted head and the shoulders. So the breakout will be significant. Okay. Yeah, Mohammed, Dow Jones did not go up as expected, right? So this week it's retracing, but still on the Tenkan-sen, so my view is still bullish. But if it breaks Tenkan-sen, then it can go down to Kijun-sen. Because this time, in this market, particularly on the daily time frame, the market has been supported by the Tenkan-sen many times. So that's why we can trust Tenkan-sen in this market. If these bounces happens on the Kijun-sen, the Kijun-sen will be trustable. But this one, Tenkan-sen is respected, so this time the market may bounce and goes up. Yeah, but we have a couple of big news in the US this week, so it may impact the market. So, okay, let me see. Chetan says, if there will be no restrictions, then how to recognize market will retrace with the help of Ichimoku? Or you mean resistance? If there is no resistance, right? Then you can tell by the Kumo shape, as I mentioned before. Whenever you see the thin Kumo, then that means the market reverse potentially. So yeah, just like the AUD CAD that we looked earlier. You know, AUD CAD for me, Kumo on the daily is very thin, and 4-hour Kumo is also a bit small and thin, and 1-hour Kumo is also very thin. So that means the market may reverse. So this is a way to check the market potential reverse. So when I see the thin Kumo like this, I don't take trade. I don't. Yeah, Pius, that's right. Yeah, it's retracing back because of this thin Kumo. Okay, Sachin says, what is your view on crude? Okay, crude oil is, let me see. Let me check gold also. WTI and gold. Okay. Oh, looks like the crude is now bullish. So yesterday, I was watching the market and it broke. So if it was closing below the support, I was expecting a continuous downtrend. But since yesterday was doji and today broke the doji bullish, now this is called a what's it called? Someone in the live stream mentioned about this type of candlestick. Yes, yeah, spinning bar. Spinning bar, doji reverse. What I call doji reverse is happening. So the market may reverse back to Kijun Sen or the neckline of double top. 82.04. So short term, I think will be bullish. Okay. In India, which broker is good? I'm not sure. NZD CAD is on support now. Okay. NZD CAD is right. It reached to the resistance level. So that means it may retrace or it may consolidate in the lower time frames. Let me again check the 5 minute. Okay, in the 5 minute, okay, looks like the market broke the support and the resistance. Oh, sorry, it was still on the resistance, so it may bounce still. It may bounce on the previous resistance on M5 and goes up. But since it broke the most recent supports, now this is called Y wave in Ichimoku. Y wave is where you see higher highs and lower lows. And when you see Y wave, it becomes a very tricky market. So it may go up. Higher time frames is bullish, so the market may go up, but yeah, also it may range, right? Or retrace. In this case, I wait for the confirmations to buy. Yeah, otherwise I simply stay away. I think this market is a bit tricky here. Yeah. Let's see, 1 hour shows 1 hour is now outside doji and outside bar, and Kumo is also thin. So okay, Kumo thin, so that the market may reverse. Yeah, better to wait for the breakout of the resistance. 0.8435. Yeah, let me check gold. Gold on a daily time frame is in terms of Ichimoku, it's flat Kumo, flat Kijun Sen. In terms of the price action, it's bullish because this is W bottom, neckline break, 1728.62, and then it bounced. So this may be bullish still, but this week has been ranging. So you might wait for next week because there will be big news in the US this week. Yeah, let's see. So gold, I'm staying away. I'm not trading gold right now. No direction. Okay, Bank Nifty. Is Bank Nifty continuously bullish? Last time we watched, we checked, it just keeps renewing high and higher. So let's see. Okay, Bank Nifty is still bullish. This week's ranging, but at the price above Tenkan-sen. So as long as it's above Tenkan-sen, it's bullish. The market has been supported once, twice, 3 times by Tenkan-sen. So now it's bullish still. The next target is the next run number, which is 44,000. Yeah, it's amazing how strong this market is. Yeah, just renewing higher and higher along this way. Okay, alright, thanks for joining everyone. Great to see you here. Oh, spinning top is the word. The doji reverse. Spinning top, spinning bar. Okay, thanks for joining everyone. Good to see you. Good to see you. Okay. Maru says, looks like the dollar DXY is gaining the strength again after the month of retracement. Okay, is it? Let me check. DXY, I haven't checked that for the couple of days. So yeah, DXY is, oh yeah, it's been retracing back now. And this may become a double bottom. So this is a daily time frame. Price is on that Tenkan-sen. So if the market breaks Tenkan-sen, then the market may go up to the neckline. And if it breaks neckline, then it can go up to the Kijun-sen, 109.24. So that will be the scenario. Okay, so weekly is after the Kijun-sen break. Weekly is ranging to bearish. Yeah, but the daily has a potential bullishness here. Okay, Chitan says how to set targets in trading with the help of Ichimoku. There is a price theory on Ichimoku, and you can set the targets by the price theories. And I do talk a lot about the price theory, and I wrote a book about 3 theories of Ichimoku: wave theory, time theory, and price theory. And there are many videos in my Ichimoku community. So if you're interested to learn the depth of Ichimoku, then you're welcome to join. If you see the join button on YouTube, that's where you can join. But yeah, you can set targets by the Ichimoku price theories. Okay, Alex says, hi Kei, do you trade on basic Ichimoku strategy? For example, Tenkan-sen cross, Kijun-sen upwards and price above Kumo. Do you use this kind of strategy? Personally, I do look at them, but I don't decide to take trades on these signals. Because I mainly trade based on my own strategy called KTS, Kei's trading strategy. So I look at the price, I look at the markets in from higher to lower time frames and take the 5-minute time frame for my entries. But when I see Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen cross, then that will be my extra confirmation. But I don't take trades by itself. So let me see. So pound CAD again is about to break the resistance, but it's not happening. And the AUD CAD broke the resistance very strongly, but since 1 hour Kumo is very thin, it's ranging now, so not a good chance. And CAD JPY has been breaking the support. And let's see, 4 hour is still bearish. And 1 hour is still bearish also. But looks like lower time frame is a bit retracing now. Let me check the 5 again. Okay, so looks like, as we discussed earlier, if 5 were to be resisted on the previous support level, and also the trend line, that will be a good chance. But now, what you can see here is that it broke these levels. So when I see this, I simply stay away. Because the market may range continuously or may retrace. But I think this was a good example to show what to wait for. So yeah, unfortunately CAD JPY is no more good chance. But now this level is also the previous support and the resistance. So this time, this may be resisted and go down. So in this case, we don't take the trend line anymore. And simply wait for the downtrend in the 5 and look for the selling opportunity afterwards. So far looks like the CAD JPY is only one that is tradable, and other pairs seems to be ranging and consolidating so far. So this is towards the end of the live now. So let's see. So tomorrow, let's see what kind of news we have. So tomorrow on let's see, Wednesday on the 30th. This is the end of November. We have Customer Price Index monthly in Australia, and also CPI harmonized in Euro, and ADP employment change in the US, and GDP annualized in the US, and also Fed Chair Powell's speech in the US. So watch out on the Euro and US and AUD pairs. Okay. So I think the most important one will be ADP and the GDP in the US. Yeah, let's see. Oh, okay. Alex Wong says, understand, thanks, because most of the YouTuber talk about this strategy when they talk about Ichimoku. I find it difficult to set stop loss with this kind of strategy. Yeah, so that's why I take the lower time frames to set the stop loss. Yeah, but as per original strategy of Ichimoku, then stop loss should be based on Tenkan-sen or Kijun-sen, or even Senko Span B, which will be very wide stop loss. Okay, Chiten says many times Tenkan-sen, right? Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen gives fake crossover, or we will say crossover happened every even though market doesn't go according to that direction. So how to recognize right cross, golden crossover? Unfortunately, there is no way to identify the true or false crosses of Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen. So my advice is to have the proper risk management. If you can exit properly with the earlier timing and small losses, yeah, you won't lose big, and you can still have a chance to trade. Okay, let's see. Michael says, thank you, Kason. Every word you said like the pot of gold. Thank you so much for helping us growing our portfolio day by day, making us a profitable trader. Oh, you're welcome. Thanks so much for the words. Yeah, my wish is really to help everyone become a non-losing trader, as I state here. And my intention for doing YouTube and all the services for you to be able to check charts and take trades and exit all by yourself without my help. So because I'm the one who never follow someone else's signals or trades. Basically, I study on my own, and I have no mentor. So I build my strategy on my own, and I think that's where my confidence comes. So that's why I can take whatever outcomes I will get in my trades, and I want everybody to be the same. I think everybody has to take responsibilities on your own trades, not on others, and yeah, and be consistent. Yeah, consistency is really the key to success also. But yeah, thank you for the comment. I really appreciate. Okay, so yeah, I think I will end the live now. But yeah, thank you so much for joining the live until the end. And so again, the KTS Academy, the new service, KTS Academy is now launched. So if you're interested, please check the website from the link on the below description. And just let me know if you have any questions. So yeah, until I see you on the next one, please stay healthy and stay safe and stay gold. Alright, thanks so much. Bye for now. Mata ne.